So my music was playing, and I heard this weird squeaking noise, and I seriously thought they got a squirrel or something, or some kind of animal, but no, it's just my puppy with his toy. Oh, nice throw. I think I got that on video. You threw that and caught that. Good throw. I had a little puppy named Tweak, and Tweak used to be able to do the same thing. He would use little puff balls, and he could throw a puff ball in the air and then catch it. He also do the same thing with marbles. This dog likes marbles too. And I can give him a marble and he doesn't swallow it, he just plays with it. So, anyway, I'm gonna play with my dog. I think I gotta move a bunch of dirt over for old guy. And that's actually funny thing about that ball. I didn't have him yet when I got this ball. See? I found it at a truck stop when I went to Winnipeg with the prospector. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna have a dog at some point, so I'm gonna take this ball because it was like brand new and sitting there. Somebody must have threw it and then lost it. So I grabbed it, and now it's my dog loves it. So anyway, peace, love, and happiness. Hope you didn't get too dizzy with this video. Bye. From me and Gray.